welcome back. On this episode, we are going to work on Fred Flypogger's Drool.
You're going to need a glue gun, tweezers, paintbrush, gloss, and an iridescent paint if you so desire. Not pictured, but you'll want some E6000 glue to fix the glue stick Drool onto your sculpture. Heat up your glue gun. Once it gets to the right temperature, unplug it. Squeeze out a little bit of glue. You want the glue to start to get hardened up so that if you grab it with the tweezers, it's not going to squish it. Or you can also dip it onto the glass and pull away. Right now, I'm trying to get it to pull away on its own by shaking the glue gun until it pulls away a little bit more, because we want to make that grip shape. Kind of bumpy, so it's not the greatest one. I'm going to try again. Just got to keep playing around and see if there's shapes that you like. Once your Drool is created, you can take it and glue it with E6000 onto your sculpture. The glue stick kind of dries cloudy looking and matte, so using some gloss to paint on there to shine it up is a nice idea. Also, you can use some iridescent paint to add some more color.